Back again, guys. This is Irene Vlogs and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are cooking adobo estofado. So what is adobo estofado? I'll show you how. And first we will saute the potatoes first, just in low fire. There, so we will saute the potatoes first before we saute the garlic. So saute the potatoes until it changes color. As you can see, it turns into light yellow. You see, it changes color. And so I'll show you. I already pre-boiled our pork. So here's our pork. Ayan, I already drained it. Adobo cuts. Alright, set aside the potatoes. We will start sauteing the garlic now. Alright, so just put the potatoes on the side and then saute the garlic just in medium fire until it is golden brown. So saute it. I can smell the aroma of the garlic. Alright, so while we are sauteing this, shout out first. I'll shout out yung aking most beautiful seatmate in our office, Rian. Si Riri. Ayan, shout out. Alright, so there you go. It is nearly brown now. Another shout out to my colleague, Emil. Thank you very much, my very supportive and beautiful friend that is working from home. Ang pinaka mahinahon na ahente ng gifts. Ayan. Love you, Emil. Can you see the color changes already? It's already near to golden brown. There. And also the potatoes are cooking aside. It will give crisp later. So shout out also to my teammates, our new trainees in DASCO. Shout out to you guys. There's 9 of them. And also sa aking pinakamabait na TL ninyo. Ayan, shout out sa inyo guys. Alright, so we're done with the garlic. Let's add our pork now. Alright, so let's add our pork. Nag-boil ko na siya kanina. To make sure it is tender. No one wants to eat something rubbish or like rubber, right? And then we will be adding our pepper. Alright, so what I'm usually using is the macaroni black pepper ground. Masarap ang lasa niya. It's tasty. So let's put some Genevieve. There you go. And stir it. Alright, so I already put the pepper. We will add soy sauce now. A minimum amount will do. Mix it well. And then add 1 cup of water. There you go. We'll add 1 cup of water. And let us simmer that minute or 2 for the potatoes to be cooked. If you are guys wondering why I haven't put any vinegar yet, because the vinegar will make the pork uncooked. So it will give a hard texture to the meat. So after we boil this one, that is the time that we will be adding the vinegar. Okay, so let's add some, let's put it in high heat. Let's simmer it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, there you go. As you can see, it was already boiling right now. So it's time to put our banana blossoms. Yes, you heard it right, banana blossoms. So it's a mixture of adobo and estofado. So we will be adding our banana blossoms. I already washed it a while ago. Alright, so we will be adding our banana blossoms. There you go. We can add some more. This is really, really yummy. We usually use it in patatin. Like pork pata. But we are cooking adobo estofado. So it's time to add the vinegar now. Small portion of it. Smells good. And now we will be adding some red sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. Depends on you guys. Okay, I think that's okay now. And then we will mix it. Alright, so our adobo estofado is almost done. We will simmer this for another 2 to 3 minutes and we're done. guys, it's boiling na. It means we will be eating now. Here you go. Here is our finished product. Our Adobo Estofado by Irene Loves. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be updated in my everyday happenings in my channel. You can also join my channel and be part of my member. Just click the join button and you're all set. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. So shout out to all my teams, especially Pia Mila team. And a love shout out to you guys, Team Mahalan, Team BQ, and Team Powerful Soy, and Team Sweet, and Team Katotos. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support. I love you, Team Poyaders. So we're up and down. Let's eat. Bye bye.